Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ACH transfers in Chase Mobile step by step clearly.
Open the Chase Mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password.
From the main dashboard, locate and tap on the Pay and Transfer option.
Select ACH transfers from the list of available options. If you have existing ACH transfers, you will see them displayed here. Choose the transfer you want to update. Review the details of the selected transfer. Tap on the Edit button to make changes. Modify the necessary fields, such as the amount, frequency, or recipient information.
After making your updates, double-check all the information for accuracy.
Once you're satisfied with your changes, tap the Save button.
A confirmation message will appear to verify your updates.
Review the confirmation details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Done to exit the Edit screen. You will be redirected back to the ACH Transfers page. Your updated transfer will now be listed with the new details.
Close the app or navigate back to the main dashboard when you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.